let's solve this together. You say 7 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 147. We're going to solve for x in this question, okay? Now, the first thing we can do here is to say that 147 is equal to 7 times 3. This is equal to 7 squared multiplied by 3. You can go ahead and substitute this here. So we have that 7 raised to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 7 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3. Now, we can also state something here, that when we have a raised to the power m plus n, it's equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n. Applying this law on the left hand side of this equation, we have 7 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 7 raised to the power 1, which is 7, is equal to 7 squared multiplied by 3. Dividing both sides by 7, we have that 7 goes here and the 2 goes here to leave us with 1 7. Okay? Now, we have 7 raised to the power 2x to be equal to 7 multiplied by 3. Now, you can decide to take the logarithm of both sides. Okay? So we say the logarithm of 7 raised to the power of 2x is equal to the logarithm of 7 multiplied by 3 in brackets. Okay? Now, this logarithm we're going to take this in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x here is 7. So we take logarithm in base 7 of both sides. Okay? When you have logarithm of a power b, it's equal to b multiplied by logarithm of a. So applying this law here, we would have that this is 2x multiplied by logarithm of 7 to the base of 7 to be equal to logarithm on the right hand side of this equation. You have multiplication. So you split up like this, and then you have the numbers. Okay, so there is plus in between them now with separate logs. Now you have logarithm of a number to its own base. The number is 7, the base is 7, so they are equal. When the base of the number are equal, we can strike this out to give us 1. Okay, or it gives us 1. Now 1 times 2x is 2x to be equal to, again, this is equal, so we have 1 plus logarithm of 3 to base 7. Now, dividing both sides by 2, we have that our x here will be equal to half plus 1 over 2 into logarithm of 3 to base 7. Okay? Now, this becomes the final answer of x in this equation. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.